Last year, people are helping each other in different way during the COVID pandemic situation. That time I was wondered to myself about how can I respond to this situation. Then I came up with the idea of being a volunteer food photography program for online food vendor. They just send me their food to me, and then I did food styling and take a photo for them. And all the food photograph I did for them, I just used my mobile. Today, we will learn the element about storytelling and influences food storytelling, not just to be seen by your eyes, but to capture by your hearts. Most of the food delivery look unattractive at all, so I need to fresh them up and make it more alive again. For example, there's Chinese noodle with barbecue pork. I have to showcase the deliciousness of the food by using some oil and nicely plate them up. One of the tricks to elevate a simple dish to fine dine is to style them in a nice form. There is no boundary in food styling. You can mix the counter and style together, for example like East meets West or home cooked to fine dine. Like this noodle, I roll it up and plate it like a pasta by using my super helpful tools, twister. Or you can simply use chopstick. We often use the microgreen or edible flower in professional food photography, but you can also use homegrown flowers or herbs to decorate your food. For this one, it's a Northern-style curry noodle. I unboxed and reimagined it by plating in a simple colored Japanese ceramic bowl. To enhancing flavor in the food and to bring out a warm and local sense of Northern style, I'm using tie-dye fabric as a prop. I always pouring soup or sauce right before pressing shutter